welcome to Tap and Draw.
Itachi sketch.
You're still too weak.
Stage 1
You
outline.
don't have hate. You don't have enough hate. And you know something? You never will. You never will.
I'm always going to be there for you, even if it's only as an obstacle for you to overcome. Even if you do hate me. That's what big brothers are for.
I have told you.
Stage 2 shading.
I won't have to ever again. I have always lied to you and asked for your forgiveness while keeping you at a distance. Because I wanted to keep you out of face. But now, I think that perhaps you could have changed Father, Mother, and the rest of you Uchiha as well. If I had only come to you from the start, looked straight into your eyes and told you the truth, then I wouldn't have to stand before you as a failure, telling you all of this.
Stage 3 mono watercolor.
At least this much truth to you. You don't ever have to forgive me. And whatever you do from here on out, know this. No matter what, I will love you always.
Comment next anime character.
Judge people by their appearance, or by your own preconceptions.
Self-sacrifice. A true shinobi does not set out to seek glory. They protect from the shadows. That is the mark of a true ninja. However powerful you are, don't take it all on yourself. Because if you do, you will surely fail. Never forget. Becoming Hokage isn't about getting people to acknowledge you.
If you like Itachi, please do like, share, comment.
Become Hokage.
Otherwise, I am good at hiding body.
Every jutsu has a weakness. This jutsu's weakness and risk
It's almost finished.
is simply me. I should have acknowledged and appreciated myself for the person I was. If I'd just done that, I never